Welcome back to the MultiSite YouTube channel. If you've got a used car dealership and you're looking for an affordable professional website for your business, you're definitely in the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the MultiSites platform to create a simple website for your used car dealership. If you haven't heard of MultiSites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. So let's head to the top, search for our market, used car dealership. There it is over there, used car dealer. Let's select that option. Great. Let's tell MultiSite on a few basic details of our used car dealership so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to pop in my city and my state or region, and it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the MultiSite service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's click on continue. Let MultiSites generate a simple website for my business with the information I've just popped in. And there you have it. It's literally done so in a couple of seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of MultiSites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality. As you can see, they're completely free to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images of maybe some of the vehicles you currently have at your used car dealership, and you want to showcase them on your website, maybe make one or two amendments to this content. Perhaps you don't offer all those services and you want to make this a little bit more personalized to your business. So I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. You don't need to know any website coding, be a web professional in any kind of way. You certainly don't need to hire anyone either. You literally can do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that is visible on my website. So let's go ahead and tick the box. Great. Let's pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, and our address, our physical location. Let's put that in over here, as well as our postal code. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps. And update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your MultiSites website. If you have a logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can make slight amendments to it. You can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames by clicking on this pencil over it. Otherwise, save if you're happy. Here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Now, with MultiSites as well, we pre-selected the colors for you. If you want to change them, no color coding needed at all. Click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. There's so many to choose from. For each section you'd like to make amendments to, all you need to do is click on update section directly underneath that section. Head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device to upload your own images. Search through that photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. Otherwise, connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in all those images if you have a profile. And update actions where you can change those call to action buttons, the text on the buttons, as well as where all the buttons are linked to. You can even upload a PDF file for your customers. When they click on that button, will automatically take them to the PDF file. And the last section over here is where you can put in your trading hours for your used car dealership. Pop them in all over here, click on save. The page will automatically reload after saving, and it will display your business hours over here. If you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on connect your domain over here, yellow button at the bottom. If you don't have a custom domain, you also have that option to click that button and purchase one directly from the MultiSites platform to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, and stand out from all your competitors in the community. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your business. Really wishing you and your business, Multi, success.